Welcome. Today in front of me Nokia T20 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature on this device with Ampere application. So first you should open the Play Store and in the search bar enter the Ampere. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application installing on your device. Now just open the app. Here click yes I agree, click close. Oh my god. And here on the left down corner tap to OK. And as can you see here we got the section with the temperature of our device battery. That's what's going on. That's 25 and 9 degrees. So as can you see, that's really simple to check that. And also we got here other information about our battery health, level, capacity, and other information about our device model, Android version, and more info. So that's how it looks, and thank you guys for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.